Friends, welcome to the next session on web application development using Flask. So we have started with the Hello World program in the last session. Now we'll continue further with the concept of routing. We have seen a route decorator in the Flask in previous program. What's the meaning of it? How can I make use of it more effectively by making use of different routing mechanisms in the code, and how can I make use of this particular system more effectively? We'll see in this particular session today. So let's open your presentation and now check it out. So basically the modern web frameworks use the routing techniques to help users to remember application URLs. It is useful to access the desired page directly without having to navigate from the home page. Okay, so without home page directly, you might have seen most of the websites contain their front page as like their name.com/index.html, or maybe some /index only or /home like this. So this is what we can create with the help of a route decorator. So route decorator in Flask is used to bind URL to a function. For example, in the previous example we have seen we are given only slash. Now in this example I have mentioned /hello. With the help of this I can change the URL from only slash to the /hello. So this rule is bound to the function hello world. As the result, if you visit the respective URL by using /hello, your hello world function will be called. So by which URL we have to call the hello world function is specified by the respective URL over here. So let's see, let's try this particular concept in the code and then we'll perform the operations here. So let's say this, I'll go to a new file, create a new file. Let's save it by some name like route.py. Okay, correct. So my Python file is created, and now let's create your Flask application. From Flask, import Flask, create your applications object for the name. Okay, fine. Okay, and now use the decorator here, app.route. Okay, so what name you have to specify, like I want to write hello over there. Okay, so this function will be called when you write the URL hello there. Okay, so let's return what to return, hello world. Okay, fine. Okay, so run the code by making use of debug is equal to true. Okay, fine. So small change I have made here. I have mentioned the URL now /hello, and when you write /hello, that time this hello world function will be called, which is returning hello world, means it is printing that hello world on the screen. Fine, in this way. So let's run the code. Okay, it's running. Check it. Yeah, it started. Debugger is active, and same URL we get over here, 127.0.0.1 and 5000. So I'll just follow this link. Means I'll open this particular link by clicking on it. Okay, it will open the browser on the given link. You can check it out now. It's showing not found. The requested URL was not found on this server. If you enter the URL manually, please check your spelling or try again. So it is not actually opening it. So what I'll do, I'll just write /hello here, enter. Okay, still then I am not getting this particular URL presented on the screen here. You can check it out here, what the app I have mentioned over here. See, few things that I need to recover, you can check it out. Its debugger is active and 5000 is the port number which I am running currently on. You can observe that how URL is given /hello only. That's why it is showing it's not found. If I go to my system and I see after hello I am having a slash written, I'll just delete this and enter. Now see, the URL is 127.0.0.1:5000/hello, and this hello world is called. in this way. I can I can add the URL, and you can make use of it in more effective way. In this way, URLs can be added by using routing concept. Any kind of routing path we can mention over there. Okay. Now there is one more function called as add URL rule. This function of application object is also available to bind URL with the function. As the this particular example, we can perform operation just like this. Okay. Now we'll go to check it. So let's make use of the method add URL rule, and with the help of that we can make use of the common root method as well as the hello also to perform these operations. What we'll do? So I'll just go to add, make use of app dot. So this method is add URL rule. See, add underscore URL underscore rule. We can pass the parameter to it. What kind of rules we require there? For example, I want slash also, as well as I require the hello name also over there. Okay, by using hello also I need to call. Which function to call? Hello world. See this. app.add URL rule. Okay, so this method is just to add the URL rules. Slash, by using slash also you can call the same function. By using hello also you can call the same function. Slash hello. By using this particular function I can call it. So I just done this, save this code, and now let's run this code again. Okay, it's waiting. Yeah, fine. Let's go to the browser again. See, in hello, if I refresh it, I'm getting the same output. Previously in the previous program, I'll delete this part and enter. Now see, still I'm getting the same output. Okay, so check it out again. Slash hello, same outputs are there. So the meaning is that when you have to call the same method by using slash or by using hello, so you can make use of the URL search. N number of rules can be added, so their output will be redirected to the same method, same function which are declared over here. You can write any number of such n rules present to it, and by this we can call the function by any kind of the rule over here. So this is called as a routing. Routing is possible for n number of such methods. More than one function can be declared, and for every different function different methods can be called. So just try that, how the routing will work, and you can understand how exactly the functions are called when you change the routing rule over here. Thank you. Thanks a lot.